Hi everyone, I will now show you how to make a linear gradient using Inkscape. So I'm going to draw a simple circle. Okay, as you can see, sometimes a solid color can be quite boring. So what you can do is to create a linear gradient effect to it. And for this video, I'll show you what is the simplest way to make this gradient effect. So take a look at the left side of the taskbar. It is a button which will create gradient effects, and there are two types of gradient effects. One is the linear gradient and the other is the radial gradient. So I'm going to create linear gradients first. So first of all, you have to click on this button, after which make sure that the button on the top bar shows create linear gradient. So now you can double click on this circle and it will automatically give you the gradient effect. Now this is linear gradient, which means that there will be two colors by default from the left to the right. If you do not want it this way around, you can always click and drag any of the handles to any direction, any angle. Okay, so you can also drag upwards if you are more of the white, or if you are more of the pink, you can drag downwards. Now, how do you actually change colors? What you can do is click on the handle and choose a color from the bottom. I'll choose green now, and here you go. Okay, and if you do not want a white color on the other second color, so what you can do is click on the node here or the handle, and you can now choose another color of your choice. Okay, now if you want to reset this, double click again on the circle and Inkscape will automatically reset the colors for you from left to right, and yet it will retain the previously chosen colors. Now, a linear gradient can also accept more than two colors. So right now I'm going to show you how I'm going to put in one more color. Let's say I want one more color here. So what I can do is double click, and you see I will create another node and just fill this color, this node, with a color of your choice. So let's say I want it to be yellow color, so I'll choose yellow. Here you go. I can create one more over here, double click. As you can see, there's one more node coming out, and I'll choose blue now. So here you go, here is the linear gradient effect. If you think that you have made a mistake and you do not want the yellow and the blue, just click on the node again and press delete. Click on the node and press delete. So now to reset, and you do not want these colors, you can choose any other colors of your choice. Okay, let me repeat. Choose the node, choose the color that you want. I'll choose black this time round, and the other side a node, and let's say I'll choose a blue color. So here you go. That's all for this video. I hope now you know how to do a gradient effect. The next video will show a radial gradient effect. Thank you for watching.